Group 1 to take seminar about conjunction and connector. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word or phrase that join two sentences or group of words together. It is also known as connector. There are three types of conjunction: subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Coordinative conjunction link two or more words, clauses, phrases or sentences of equal importance. Some common coordinative conjunction are is, was, that, or, etc. Some examples: she ran first and won the game, and is a coordinative conjunction. She ran first, won the game is independent clause. Get ready soon or you will miss the bus. Get ready soon, you will miss the bus is a independent clause or is a coordinative conjunction.
Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction are the words which links dependent clause with independent clause. For example, the bus had left before he came. In the sentence, the bus had left is the independent clause, he came is a dependent clause. Before is the subordinating conjunction which joins dependent clause with independent clause. Some common subordinating conjunctions are if, as soon as, though, although, and even though. Subordinating conjunction has four main types: of time, of place, of conversion, of comparison. Of time. Make hay while the sun shines. In the sentence, while refers to time. Of place. The dog follows him wherever he goes. In the sentence, wherever refers to time. Of conversion. The alarm wakes me up even though it is not very loud. In the sentence, even though represents of conversion. Comparison. A conjunction which compares two sentences. He is not as clever as you. In the sentence, as refers to comparison.
Correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction which works as a pair. Some common correlative conjunctions are not only but also, such as, either or, nor but. For example, I'm not only a singer but also a musician. In this sentence, correlative conjunctions are not only and but also. Shruti wants to eat either the chocolate or the cake. In this sentence, correlative conjunctions are either and or. Hope you all are understand our seminar. These are all the questions. If you find out the answer. I returned home and the bus had started. I respected him because he is very strict. Sanjay will succeed if he works hard. Karthi and Arun are classmates from their childhood. You can have these fruits till they are ripe.
Hello everyone, we are done a PowerPoint presentation on the topic idioms. Do you know what is meant by idiom? Let me explain. Idioms. Idiom is a word or phrase that has a different sentence from literal sentence. Idiom can be conventionally understood by native speakers. Idiom is also known as an idiomatic expression. For example, kick the bucket, meaning to die. There are five main types of idioms. They are food idioms, sport idioms, number idioms, color idioms, and animal idioms. Now here our friend explain about five idioms.
Food idioms is a common English expression that we use in food-related terms to describe a situation or a people. For example, a piece of cake. It means very easy task.
Number idioms are expressions that use number to convey a meaning different from the literal numerical value. This idiom can be related to the singular number. Number idioms can be used mostly in variable form. For example, on cloud nine. On cloud nine means blissfully happy.
Color idioms are phrases with non-literal meaning that uses color to describe the feeling, situation, or people. Each color has its own meaning to describe. This shows that color also has its idiomatic expression. For example, catch red hand. This means to catch someone in the act of doing something. Animal idioms are the idioms which has the name of animal to describe the situation. For example, at a snail pace, which means the snail is moving very slowly. Sports idioms, phrases that describe the sports for every day. For example, saved by the bell. This means to save somebody in the last minute intervention.
I hope you all understood about the idioms and its types. Until and unless we the group 2 of 8A signing off. Thank you.